Alright, so we're going to be making Charley Harper birds, okay? So all we're going to need is a pencil, black, orange, and red. So let's scoot our colors away, and let's start with our pencil. So we're going to have our paper upright, straight up, and we're going to start with shapes, just shapes. So make a very big teardrop. Okay, so now that we have a big teardrop, now let's make a shape like a U that's closed at the top. Okay, so now let's make a triangle inside of that. More of a diamond. And then put a small line through the diamond. Now at the corners of your U, put circles. Alright, now on the sides of your teardrops, go down. And then we add a few lines. There you go. Now we give him some legs, straight down. Put circles in the middle. Those are his little joints. And then in this top corner, we go up like this, and then we add a few lines through there. Here, let me make sure you can see it. So there's our bird body. So now what we're going to do is color it. I want to start off with red. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with our last lesson. We're going to color hard and color soft. Actually, first let's start off with black, because I see that he used a lot of black to outline. So let's do the black area first. So we can start off with the area around the beak and the eyes. So the eyes and the area around the beak are black. These are his eyes, the little birdie eyes. Cool. Now around the beak, the U part, basically. Alright, last section of the beak. Alright, so now let's do his legs, and then we're going to do the lines on the feathers. So his legs just go straight down, and then the circle, you just outline it and color it in. Same thing for the other leg. Circle, color it in. Now we just outline these lines in the middle of the feathers. There we go. So there we are. We're good with black. Now let's do the red. So for the outside feathers, I want you to color harder. For the middle and for the tail, I want you to color softer, because we want to see different types of reds. Okay? So I'm going to hold it hard. I'm going to hold it like this, like I'm holding a pencil. Then I'm going to color nice and hard. Yes, this is red. It looks not red from here, at least. So I'm not sure how it looks on the video. So I'm coloring nice and hard. I'm putting a lot of pressure into the crayon. Alright, that's one wing. Other wing. Cool. So now I color my wings hard. Now let's color the body and the tail nice and soft. So we can hold the crayon towards the middle or the back and just do it that way. Because it looks like a whole different color when you do it that way. Let me check that you guys can see it. So you see how light it's looking? Do the same thing for the rest of the body. Super soft, super soft. Now the top of the head. Hope you guys can see so far. Looks nice and soft. And I'm using the same crayon I used on the wings. Alright, so our body is complete. Now we're going to color the same way, nice and soft, for the tail. There we go. Now let's use lastly our orange for our beak. Actually, I think for the beak I want to use black to go through the line in the middle. There we go. Because I see he has it on his. You can color hard for this one. Because his beak is nice and bright. Alrighty, there is our Charley Harper bird.